How to get Lemon8 app. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. If you want to get the Lemon8 application on your device, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can do that. But before that, let's discuss what is the Lemon8 application. Lemon8 is a new social media app that is much like the Instagram and Pinterest application. It is a lifestyle-based app that allows creators to share photos or short videos. It has different categories such as makeup, fashion, travel, health and wellness, fitness, food, and much more. To use this application, you first have to download and install this app. For that, you can open up Play Store if you are using your Android device. If you're using iPhone, you want to open the App Store. Then tap on the search bar. Now here you want to search for the Lemon8 app. If Lemon8 application is available in your location, then it is going to appear here. However, if this application is not available in your country or region, it is going to show something like this, that this item is not available in your country. In this case, unfortunately, you are not able to download this application. Now, there are different third-party websites that offers you the Lemon8 application. However, it is not safe to download the application from the third-party websites. In this case, all you can do is wait until this application is made available in your country. If this application is available, then you want to tap on the install button. Once you tap on it, it is automatically going to be downloaded on your device. Once it has been downloaded, you simply want to open the application, then follow the on-screen prompts in order to create a new account. Once your account has been created, the interface is going to look something like this. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.